Have you ever thought about how powerful your thoughts and desires are? How often do you repeat something without realizing that in that moment, you are literally giving an order to the universe? The universe does not give you what you want, it gives you what you are ready for. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they shape the path ahead. Just like in life, where balance and intention create our reality, beauty also lies in the details. A fresh French manicure with delicate colorful dots symbolizes the small yet powerful choices we make, simple, elegant, and full of meaning, just like the seeds of our desires blossoming into reality. Every thought we hold in our mind, every desire we send out, is like a seed we plant in the soil of our reality. And without realizing it, it begins to grow. We live in a world where our desires shape our future, but we often forget that what we want is not always what we truly need. Sometimes, we desire something from the depths of our soul, and when we get it, we realize that the price we have to pay is too high. That's why, be careful what you wish for. Perhaps your desires are a reflection of your inner peace and what you are trying to achieve. This can even be reflected in the way you approach yourself and how you look. For example, the right manicure and nail design can be your way of expressing your personality and desired changes, from delicate flowers and butterflies on spring nails to bold accents that radiate confidence. Think about all those moments when you dreamed of something and later received it, but in a different form. You wanted love, and you received a lesson. You wanted wealth, but you learned the value of effort. You wanted happiness, but you realized that it doesn't come from the outside, but from within. Life doesn't always give us what we want, but it always gives us what we need for our growth. Imagine that the universe is like a giant mirror. Every thought you have, every desire you send out, reflects back to you in the form of reality. If you constantly focus on lack, on your fears, on what you don't want, you are actually amplifying their presence in your life. Why? Because where our attention goes, our energy flows. But how can we learn to wish correctly? How can we emit what will bring us true joy, rather than new lessons filled with difficulties? The first step is awareness. When you want something, pause and ask yourself, why do I desire this? How will it change my life? Is this truly what will make me happy, or am I just running away from something else? This awareness can include all aspects of your life, including your appearance and way of self-expression. A beautiful manicure can be a way to highlight your inner balance and align yourself with the new opportunities you wish to create. A subtle decorative design with spring elements, such as delicate flowers or butterflies on your nails, can serve as a reminder of the beauty of new beginnings and renewal. History knows many examples of people who have achieved everything they dreamed of, yet never found happiness. There are millionaires who would give all their wealth just to experience the joy of simple things again. There are people who have reached the peak of their careers, but have lost their inner peace. Sometimes, what we desire can lead us in a direction from which it is difficult to return. The truth is that we must learn to wish consciously. Instead of saying, I want money, say, I want abundance and opportunities that will make me happy. Instead of saying, I want love, say, I want a relationship that fills me with joy and harmony. Small changes in the way we formulate our desires lead to huge differences in the results we receive. If you want new changes in your life, maybe this includes your appearance, such as a new manicure with an inspiring spring design that reflects your inner renewal. There is a story about a person who had long wanted a new job. Every day, he would repeat, I want to leave my current job, I can't take it anymore. And you know what happened? One day, he really did leave, but not by his own choice. He was fired. The universe fulfilled his wish, but not in the way he had imagined. Why? Because his thoughts were focused on what he didn't want, not on what he truly desired. The same can happen with the way you treat yourself and how you choose your nail design. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, find harmony and express yourself through colors and shapes that will nurture your inner balance. So, be mindful of your words. Words carry vibration. They shape your reality. When you wish for something, do it with pure intention, clarity, and awareness. Similarly, when you choose your nail design, it should not only be a beautiful expression of your appearance, but also a reflection of your inner state and intentions. And remember, sometimes life doesn't give us what we asked for, but what we truly need. It's its way of making us stronger, wiser, and more ready for what truly awaits us. So, the next time you make a wish, pause for a moment. Realize what your true motivation is. Express your desire in a way that aligns with your highest good. Just like choosing a beautiful manicure that reflects your new path, be mindful of what you wish for. Because the universe is always listening. And it always responds.